You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn and break down how to pronounce correctly this word. If you're here and looking at how to pronounce more Greek mythology names, make sure to stay tuned. Alright, so let's get down to it. There's going to be two different pronunciations, American English pronunciation and British English. In British English, how to pronounce Philoctetes. Alright, let's break it down. Philoctetes. Yes, with a Z sound at the end. Philoctetes, it's a play. If you want to learn how to pronounce the name of the author, stay tuned. Philoctetes, now in American English, in the US as opposed to the UK, it's usually pronounced as Philoctetes, 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 or how to pronounce Philoctetes pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.